That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
và Ewenyigba Ŋdi Wɔna for comment of Tony Boye with the Wɔna back on a moment to move back for that night champagne back abe didike ya quality mamno kata do Tony Boye ya problem ya basere ga wonyo wana jago me nishan na bukandre agbato perma bebe ebuke akabarota ta cheka egbato ha gano gabali kono na China nya je bomble nsadwa manyare ka ke na toponya ke na mizorango ni vero fiera ni angu transfer bedash ka barocho no kalamantan laga afi wona nyambo dum rich stitches ye do yana mado rich stitches la ho la fiale fajet hotel botututu never I do be an I junction never in a fajet hotel I want to go to Assemblies of God and see a fajet hotel for rich stitches ma le on que madakbana ba odona chonam koi madakbana ni apa ho central member of parliament which one edun ko fit to so ha ba alo bana mi ko ha so madakbana Muslims ever dictionary ni ba j fola about clinic bano yokata yoka Ewenyigba ameoka uko premianchi la jeroroma umya panyacho do kompo akamle avaloji una penbati mama the Facebook, the TikTok, the YouTube, kata like, share, comment, talk kata minta kanan ber mina nyabon kok kekam ke niji donona niji minyola ke kelini ha ho yo fatu tamadak ni kata ke na be akpermianchi plaga alo ebe ya dolo mila mo be share keji ne ya adolo mila ke yomi nomba le nyoti joji 0242-670-773 Elebe Tatu Koramaka plus 233-242-670-773 Alo 002-3-242-670-773 in your number. Alright, ke ni aja bato gome bele sedamanya biya dan nya motivational segment nyakbo nyako don't say miaro kyo le akba mama afi aga zorango akbo lekeni azoramamnia soge ha don't kujiwe mogul English mama. So I welcome you to the transmission. We go to the motivational message of the day. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. Ni pomle ni oti yoje nyama rafu Adamalo yung nyai ko chot director jaba nyakbo bele kwa bomba Pijiji alo do jijia. Me fiabe nanaka malamamo. Alo nanaka meyu. Silence isn't empty. Do jiji mala bolo. Do jiji men bolo konyo. E amale jilo duya. Me fiabe nyamala macho. Ko bra ba nyala mumu ko do. Kaka pijiji alo jiji nanaka o de nyasa. Ala bala do jiji mana ndolo garo vana. Aro yona nya jok bata mi masa nyao menyo. Alo ni masa paraka ni nyari masa pa me ha. Ko mi chona ba sas rejichichi ya jopo ajana ke aro ya ni dana bo ala ba jichichi plompo fo ngbe de manomia kana da fuaro kove da na gere mo ko kama apostle Paul go verse 30 to be silent mi strongly close ya mi strong position aro da ga jin ko adam prano ko ukian to ta ko no akana pon fiafi dokyo drama ya no vovuvu nyam chashane kaja mona po to ta je me shone ke ni ya kina na jin ya mi sia ba na cha ko ta no bo mona no dokyo gumlam na no that's not it manye nan mo je bon na mo akana jin ya ke atia ba ashidam dokyo chiba ya samwa ashidam dokyo chiba ya kuma machine no chiba komme de dalu gonze de tu na vana api ne aforega ya da makbomo kaka ya roji ya onamba ya nyacho ako anje agbapa wona komata me kon polo me motivational message and let's study to be silent. And silence is not wrong after all. Silence gives us inside victory time to take a rational decision, good decisions. All right, akbani mikatan jagba ba jagba ba ya punto na no kelenya punto mo ya. So Boye.com news 13th, yeah, when July 13th July 2026. 10 HTU holds Grand Deba. 10 HTU holds Grand Deba. 10 in this it of Sukukoko, the law of Habobo, American Indicima, Yoka, Ula Sukukoko, over NDC. So over NDC Avaloja, anything, one of the other EG. Memory Kavai Huafia, so 10 holds Grand Deba. Dam upon Lafman in Yapa, who Central Member of Parliament. Richmond Adam Kofi Potosukla, Stephen Adom, Mama Fialo, Municipal Executive. I'm a gat by the Arohon of Ma. May I Granyama. Potosuklas Gatters donates boreholes. Potosuk cleans gutters. Potosuk cleans gutters donates boreholes. I'm proud of the my power. I'm a gat Yarima, La Gotama, La Sofidashi, Baham, Sasana, Yang Yapa, who Central Member Parliament, and Mirakawaya, a woman Shama, a she, Nagara, a dog bota, La Hofiano Wobio, Doi Jalaba Gota, the Dakoto, or the Gata, either Balabo, or Tumakmokata, Alava. New Panto shuttle announced for Afram Plains route. New Panto shuttle announced for Afram Plains route. Nyonya Pomile Bana, what is in Afma Yenye Kate Maushi Babanao, Kate Maushi Babanao, Yikanye Momafiane, Kwewu Afram Plains North in Tomato. Honorable Kate Maushi Babanao. Bobon vifia koshasha totone koshana nguga uona doloroi yaro bafare yaro chwa aleke tojibu ike tojibu babate ike tojibu ugeto ta jiba dwana nya ala afuma na ya Franklin sa to chuga to gudu ya no viola Franklin so nyanko sa nya vio yana mcha Franklin sa ta to gudu no be nya to gudu. All right, ka MPP papaji ha internal elections at 88.7% success rate. Kodia MPP successfully conducts election. So we go Justin Korea cannot baligi glane and pipito bobrombe akwa damiola le mafa mangwe koma akbaganto ejijemi mise nataka kare kabaro alutura kabaro cho alek munya blengo masa jimle ntua rome aka bada ntua lo fareka yo chona yo be yo na dako la ntua a lo fareka me yo ko damla ntu blani wa shekia o pon jeje yo dako ni jeje ba ke gba no for there are miracles aboji kanye nyang dela na Alhaji Mahmoud Alhaji Baumia Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia we ubudulaga yema ekiganye nyangdala ne Alhaji menye NPP akata go do nyangdala ruchira nyagba e da nyang ne NPP akata la gana ke misewe de kajagba for that plan eglobe yebe yaba note avliho agraho makbe anyagba araba yaba zu nyangdala na party ya jaba manyam ba nya ko dogana ke fia dogana party le magbe am jijo ko over airport over international airport tami funfia Dennis Miracles abojele bubiton fashion yoko nye jiru fa loje ke pona etane amnoke notere dopo gan fiasa gan alo jiru dopo fo magbe hecho stilo alo mo chipen profidwai da o nazabumba awumbe blaro itaoliro da Dennis Miracle aboje's in trouble the kaje pon mi le bana for da fianye Jaden Adams ite hope bla aton African South African midfielder dies at 25 the kaja pon la fma nye abokola kuna ball ne South Africa ihano World Cup ho bele akeme Ghana hanu nchoko ukata unya ubaba pe Ghana ubaba South Africa boba ke American na titina mane ball fufu kwa wana ke pona ball sesa ubaba ko nge jonke na jochi do o mili ko blogodo ko chani kuta that's in South Africa ngol fiaza ike na tema khano jima fa taide boye.com ko akbo nkawe le fuma alawe na wo wa machoka edede ke on number nana hagale bane otade fodera on number nana kale bane fodera and is yeah well I think that's it so nyaje go makble maybe nyaje want to English back baje nacho English leka achoka MPP leka ha nyana ma 1080 holds granted at the whole technical university, the tertiary education institutions network, 100 gags and members of 10, providing a platform for connection, interaction, mentorship, and discussion on the role of young people in national development and democratic governance. All right, so yema memra gbafanya gbemelema amwe yiza ngakere kanywe Richmond Adam Kofi Poto Suple Stephen Adom Yo Kenya Member of Parliament Ble District Executive so no whole technical university let's go do oh and akpediare and this value checking school we have about tertiary education institutions network your action so you at the to plus so you were Paji Ojaba or let us live in to copper Boye na no abele in. So addressing the gathering, speakers described 10 as the vital platform for grooming future political leaders and urged members to remain committed to the values of discipline, service, patriotism, and accountability. They encourage students to combine academic excellence with active civil participation, stressing the effective leadership requires integrity, dedication, and a strong commitment to national progress. So, yema ten fanya yema lefuma bodo supong le ten aba sorry awanya edua pachom sorry onya edua pachom da yema na choi ke bona sorry malio ke yodo da ofung na so hadong so pleto. All right, me pong ako sa Boye just a quick one. Marcus Boye arrested by Yoko. He was allegedly arrested hours after declaring MPP Communications Director bid. That is Marcus Boye, a leading member of the opposition New Patriotic Party and former spokesperson of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in 2024 presidential campaign, has reportedly been arrested by Yoko, that's the Economic and Organized Crime Office at the Kotoka International Airport. The reported arrest occurred on Sunday, July 12, just hours after Boye publicly announced his intention to contest for the position of National Communications Director of the MPP in the party's upcoming internal election. So according to reports, the Yoko officials, with the assistance of immigration authorities, picked up Boye at the airport before taking him into custody. The arrest is said to be linked to ongoing investigations into alleged corruption-related matters connected to his tenure of office as Executive Secretary of the Inter-Ministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization. That were Marcus Boye Ududopo. Yiroko, Yoko de Jeshiba, Ayika, Unya, Banjigla Gane, Minister of Overload, don't get a cocoa fuba, no denku, du Bronyam, to the Tonsanana, American Momifia, Assembly, or Council, Sanana Bota, or would to roll for 1 hour to share. Ganyaro, Mamma Colafma. I want Hanny Bonavaro, Narcavaronchi, Yema, Mikona Yamajo, no Ganita, Megan of form. Alright, so the development has sparked widespread political interest, particularly because it came shortly after Boye declared his bid for one of MPP's key national executive positions in announcing his candidature earlier in the day. So that's fine. Boye Nyagaoni, Manya Bogablo, Boye Nyagaoni, Nigbona, Nyamamutuga, Tanya, and Toji. Okay, let me show NBC Baji, MPP Baji. Let me try the NBC Baji that me I equal south, me I equal Afram Plains North. Yeah, new Pantu schedule announced for Afram Plains route. So, residents, traders, and commuters along the Mando Toko, Godeke, Donkokrum corridor now have a formalized travel timeline. I'll read that again. Residents, traders, and commuters along the Mando Toko, Godeke, Donkokrum corridor now have a formalized travel timeline following a public announcement by the Kwewu Afram Plains North District Chief Executive Honorable K. Mausi Babanao. The directive seeks to streamline movement on the vital waterway and reduce uncertainty for market days. And according to a major news report, the DC disclosed that the pontoon will operate on a structured weekly schedule, effective immediately every Friday evening after concluding operations at Agodeke. The vessel will return to Mando Toko. On Saturdays, the first departure from Mando Toko is set for the morning, conveying traders and passengers to Agodeke and onward to Donkokrom. The return leg will commence in the afternoon, transporting commuters back to Mando Toko. That will Nyataka Kabarumia Bo to Honorable Kate Monsi, Babana Bo, Pilaquenya, and me on here, Guavanian of you, Popa Toticho, Togo to Tomaru, Tom, Tomano, to get Tom, Pena, Blomos, Uber, never a fool. Tojibu, Carachono Cata, Bugan, Tomayo. You go on to Chonconaba Pantu, Tower Fifia, Aleke, Pantupa, Don, on the Fida, Lefianima. Pantua na joga agodeke ke atroy de Mando Toko. Memiragba ke Pantua cho Mando Toko. Acho Mando Toko ke acho ashichalao achoy de agodeke. Ke na cho agodeke a de Donkokro. Ke la totrobo fakbajia ndome. Pantua do lao wa trocho Mando Toko. Que ella beto yenya dudwa ta enhiambe ni hia konkon nyebe mia onya takaka do ekonomi ta amekele nya fa ntuma mafuma ikedona tomi osani anko beto ni oje mi anya be nya popo be yobia be gbare baka lobe pantwa pomto afi na abadogore pantwa do. All right. Well, Apogandre, Minity, Blackton, Gamma Sunamba, Maho, but that's a chomo, Bena, but Bonache, and Bubudu, Naum, Benapon Polari, Toji, Alabre, Ma Ai, Alai, who but if you're not trouble, and Yai, and Yajimakatule, give your boy, don't think about 0242 6707773 your number. There don't you choose Yamaha at Ion Fan 0242 670 773 in your number. Atado vocal them, atado audio them. Na a minor bear wema, alawa mercy, but swear na ovado ya nyahon. Tony Magbonia nyaplo.
No silence ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. But see dictionary akara so afi de passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view can the basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo language on. Nanya make a never view. And be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I must make a never view mutual and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama yala dile ko so madana na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can call screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akbe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kplentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Name ya jima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. ne eyina de Frajet Hotel nye le moji tututututu ne chobi nine junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Oh.
Những ma vật phân thì mất là thương mặt thùng mà nó chỉ có vô cùng
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukwane gbogbo ya wa. But hasbena di dile no na fia. Ko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pati bani ko hi wonton nya nfura wa. Bola pati ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bon mà nó chỉ có
Vai batakalo sugo itabi gada de secrement tonto. Bola pati ke wa busielo weto sira.
Wayire vola to gbo. Ye mon no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no no pla. Na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo. Mashama na zin.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato ma toro ha. Wo za vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yira vola to. Ona wala masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe a gada woji la agodo ma Yellow House Street wo jango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mi apoda yola nyadeba vola fiva lo aploli le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ufuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti maklo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wakpo puto wofuka ome wofuka matutu dokata vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vi kple de fio mo hopo wie fo
Yo mi afọ mbọlọ akpana nube ni leklem le wenga ti fwe Ŋdi Wɔna ji poni ma Boye nya prom ke nya jo kple nsoson ye kweji ke 0242670773 ye hiana 0242670773 nya nomba ke nya ko de wana bo di won fundi alawa na nyam samai ka droko na germwe ka na le ta du borama ka plus 2 no wa ba de janti ya jene plus 233 242670773 plus 233 242670773 nya nomba ka na ta chako chata wa pendi mele fuka hostel la ho Technical University never been back to the Aro Fuga Hostel or Pocket Niagwema, Alaba Nagramaji, Alaba Nia Akbaramon Globo, Nenia Young College, Yabana Coqueaji, Nemia Young Cocheka, La Yabana Coqueajico, Go Unkokaka, Bunko, Ta Mema Hachu. 0242670773 in number mi kpana de niba ji vion sur la ver mi tu nyare de ka de kom de ka bobore ka kom se ka bobore ka ye le mi kata nyashi la ver de niba jiwe da ne enye fo ni nyako sumkwa nkaka o mi na lo la nyashi ba ga o la nyo nya ba to shi o ni chan ni pe lo nyo ni ma sha la na yang ko po ko lo ga de le nyam de chol ma da na mi tu ga mi sa ta ne nya do wo po tu tu ran ko ni se ga nyam lo ka po mi ka ta po nya ni zu ha bobo ala ba no yo po mi ta o na ni po ti be sha anu cucu nama mamanya tak kasar nama anu nyong betul ko nyamba no siapa pun kulit sama be da kristal hau lapo itu hau laplau patience hau la daplu manu sobo hau le we tobi botana lagi plakatnya mai bertemu talakaci tumaga solar demo nyekong blau yang na Indonesia lakaci tuman mengata Daniel Dagbahau, Honorable Kang Gojo Mo, Abe Gojo kata Manihau, Mau kata Vincent Hau dan Dagbamo, kata Nima Konombo, Fona Bobo, Singa punya besi na, punya bapak, sebab mau pernah diakoi. Nah, dengan itu saya ko, jom aku jauh jom Omar ko besi, siapa jom, ini cara ko jom, alu nyadolo nuasya, itu biasa. Right, nya azorengo aku mukanya nya jojo bana mamno pe nya takakao kutinya ku nagampuganya maga aku berbicara ke makare nya amang peparo gerenya kalau nya jojo nampaknya pula mengku tetu aji Afrika Selatan Afrika Selatan yang kalau lokal lagi perbandingnya tak menyata belum dia MAPA residents endorse new inner roads project Lord government and NBA for improvement. Alright, lama pun tu men nostong ni mah. Untuk matawa yo document juraga amoro donayo amoku yaro donayo lan to mata document jura the amata. Memphis Central MP attracts global investors to drive long-term growth, pledges to position Ghana as West Africa's industrial investment gateway. Non vi yekra bana tada rainye ame fin tomato ko so takbe hamila ube unta ko Ghana ube te ba maro nya shi chala gangang so beta du ko mo ube ega chong do ko gangang tuni ko toma bani farmer petitions Mahama over alleged land grabbing by Jubilee House staff in Shai Osudoku. Okay, let's say Osudoku again. Tomara neto gembana down Tomara over Agbedelare to versus to in the Copola. If a jail number, allo Shapa Tanopani, including one over Dollar and the Jubilee House, Alomaro, the Omple, to Copra Mahama, ever Jibakwe Pine Balishi, that's the same. Hired armed men harass property owners using President Mohammed's name. Hired armed men harass property owners using President Mohammed's name. Over Amaro Yokonya Am Doguaro into Abotagbajaro over Afrona Anibato Alaba would Copra Mahama in Cosa. Demolition imminent. NADMO to demolish buildings on waterways in Bong, Katamanso to curb flooding. Legend Tomaraka, a Hobagman Hoto, a Hobagman would do Fanyaga Jimro. Ublegin Tomafma, NADMO things you do over the Pona for Kupata of Dedera, over Tapopo, Boglomba, a Horobanga, the Monkatamanso Tomagin, Tomara. Okay, you are overall false colleagues for selling waterlogged lands and forced buyers to build on them. You are to shut down chifa mrefanya bomula manye bu come view refanya konyo yo ha be fia ha wenya ha you know to ba ma kam no jachra mo no ga honreda asu kwanu gwana mo to hore to ba ma ha lamne mama there is some line to open transfer stations to ease waste disposal ke du kokola de baba no bola o kata yo kala jento e to ta to ato bola ko to plus Lokbutane, which is family legend. All right, me is the new crusading guy. The new crusading guy. Fifikwete, Barbara Samoa drawn into the Wutusenya East, and this is chairman na Koyo controversy. All right, Fifikwete, Ukraine, Bangi Bagane, and this is the Kanakata, Gobodo. Or Fonko, Ajale. Dura kajim le kasuan tome chairman ikenya jimanola ne ndi chapma bla yo agba manusang ma lo amrukima bumu na ko wore member of parliament in chi ugbo bododo rela ijiro duma if you want to kwa wana ba go pro butala chairman na lo jimanola chi haji be aba ita parliament ko nke jonto na jo ko ndo no bo opetisi ko tena granya wa all right. Kukum King Tikinti successful first phase paves way for commercial poultry revolution. Rekopoku ak egia wo bloma fifia. Kukum Kitikiti Kenya Kukovini for Nike Juakoda Duma were afochon. Da Yale mo yin all and my baby ak le majijima among the Branakuklo. Nifaga rola onyeke le Ghana. All right, MPP Germany in hot waters. Members accuse elections committee chairman of attempting to influence branch polls. NPP Germany in hot waters. Members accuse elections committee chairman of attempting to influence branch elections. Dakajak mamla fumanye shimanola ne MPP Toyo kele Germania do komara. Uba lofa to be Burungan Chacha for when I you I got Jim Mawu over by the aya for Aga home. I'm more ship plus Uber and Blabrom Grandma. I won't fit to have a make a major or members accuse election committee of chairman of attempted to influence that. But you be as you ato amovaji. Alo mejimo alo me momo lenge nonola ebu amapo malanya nonola o. All right, pastor faces jail threat over disputed Accra land as contempt case set for today. Pastor faces jail threat over disputed Accra land as contempt case set for today. Me po suffer like bound that one where no point your money grab boom the bird. So Masomo sorry kejin la Ewenyigba fonyam donyi wa donyi makejeno fonyam Ewenyigba fo nyato kejin so from biase bomoto ta o le biase bomba mo pono ya mo a Bwakwa South MP demands independent probe after military shooting at Shebi Zongo. The Raja Kwamila Fuma yenye a Bwakwa South of member of parliament over Blombe Balagova de Tule Chebin Tomele Ako Vivio Dano Pagbongole to see Jome. The Bwakwa South MP demands independent probe after military shooting at Shebi. Okay, I'm going to go Ghana must shift from trading to manufacturing in minor sector, Dr. Atwa Ping Frimpong Burma. Okay, Banfinya la reo na tama kwa mi Ghana to mi yo anu ndo to betadu ko me aplo mo la jara force play mo de wo mo do ra mi ha mi shon ke mi so adam aro fia sa gan do ko gan awu gan to awu mi da sa mi ha so that to betadu ko me and I think for economy anyway. All right, Obom Asafwacha accuses Kaswa police of brutal assault, rights abuses Obom Asafoche accuses Kaswa police of brutal assault, rights abuses. The guy just bomb from my bone of sorry for Ale Asafochia. Asafochia. Le Kaswa to Mara. Que bon Kaswa police valley que on que much so. All right, me I'm going to go the new publisher. Miracles Abuja arrested hours after declaring MVP comes right. Okay, the Miracles Abuja on that Alafia. Ebeazu Amanga. Ebeazu Amanga. MVP told Yam the Bakbaji. Ameda Yam the Baunia. La Koikimi Tavaima. Baunia John Ronnie Mahon, there and discipline with the ticket is Jacob Guy, and I can't go to Kenya. In young Delaga, you know, canon and promotion, Yahoo, Toy Kenya, Patia, where young the May Bounero, Beto, Major Joko, Riley Airport. Form your own party. Anido Hotels, third term hopefuls. Form your own party. Anido Hotels, third term hopefuls. The Kajika of Mammy of my name, Anido, and this is told the Matora Karen, your backbone, Lato, Totoika, would Double Mills Pal, and my moment. Aka, you come for Gazo, you Mava. Nous sommes les gadgets, Totoika, Mahamalaho, Aflagachole. A Blombery. Amayo que Boblombe. Yo, Boducoch Bojetonia, the Miava, who folk would be upon Nigeria in 2 times. Ronnie's Blodia, you Dacon Asia for 4 years, in 2 times. Ain't none do damn coffee for online, 2 times. If you never, Mahamafia, a brother by you 4 years by I put to break a fan on him. Da Yamaya Bomon, when you have no problem where your tackle to a Jiband of when I got black up when I got play a couple of hours in a Rugnon party. I will, and this flag I got a common. No more removal of shoes, bells, laptops at airport. No more removal of shoes, bells, laptops at Accra Airport. Beautiful. Accra Airport over 50 years ago. Yo mtaponga kufifia ama nabe azomo varo yangu Japoko. Obara fokpa. Afokpa rega okpo fokpa men. Atoshali ya fotenu. Oba de beleti. Ntuna dia se alimana ntu. Nyong na dia se alimana nyong. Atoshia zo chikata ba yo mo yo koma ba to ba tongo men. Ba yo tu alo be marriage alo be ko alo na jima. Magari. Baba na bu laptop. Na do laptop na ko ba to mo magari. Ala ba yo mo na do yang ku magaga ko mo. 2 arrested for murder over fraud cash dispute. 2 arrested for murder over fraud cash dispute. Nyara la fia. Amavaro ba fi funjiga. Ayo fi wo maso ba garo duma. Nke John Kimanajo e kura ka ono via. Ta ola amavara nyamata. Aganya. Ayo nkola bengba TV for Ŋdi Wɔna Jim Tony Magbonya from 0242670773 in kapo je shikana tanza ko check apartment 0242670773 in no make na tanza ako a check apartment ka na ko sana bata do go rema +233 242670773 in no make na tanza asa nya ida daily gist. The Baba South demands probe into military shooting at Cherry Zongo. National Security assaults TikToker for Bovitobo Union to Konovaji, Tane Joina, Tane Joina, Tuna Fovo, Yanyaro,